Hi everyone, I am back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious rose tea. Hope you enjoy it, hope you're able to make it, and let's get started. So I discovered rose tea about 10 years ago when I was studying abroad, and it did wonders for me. It helped me with relaxation after a long day of work or study, also with, monthly lady discomfort, helped me a lot with that. With stress, when I just want to be at ease, and also I think number one, it just tastes so freaking delicious. So here we go. So I just want to show you what the rosebuds look like. They're dried up and they're very small, but don't be mistaken, they have a lot of potential for strong yeast. So a little does go a long way. This is the brand that I like to use. There are many other brands out there, so whichever one you prefer, go ahead and use it. So give or take a few rosebuds. I usually do 1 full tablespoon for my cute little tea set. So if you like a stronger taste, then you can add more. If you like a weaker taste, you can add less. That is all up to you, but I usually do 1 tablespoon. Next, what I do is I add boiled filtered water into the teapot. Now I know my teapot looks teeny tiny on camera, but it could actually hold 1 liter. So that's how much I pour in it, 1 liter. So then all that's left is to put the lid on it, let it steep. I like letting it steep for a good 6 to 10 minutes because again, I like the strong flavor. So the longer you let set, the stronger it will be. And we'll just wait for it to work its magic. And there you have it, guys. That is my hot rose tea recipe. If you like, you could add any sort of nectar, honey, sugar, whatever you fancy to make it a bit sweeter. I like mine just the way it is because I feel I could taste the rose, the intensity of the rose flavor. You could also have rose tea cold and you have it with milk. So I'll probably be making videos on that sooner rather than later. So thanks very much and see you soon.